Join the Cow Bay community here on Pavenham Road in this stunning Craftsman style character home. Welcome to 1726B Pavenham Road in Cowichan Bay. This 1912 character home has been completely redone and brought up to speed as of the year 2005 and is complete with all of the details of its original charm right down to the leaded windows. With tall windows across the entire front of the home, you have an expansive view of the bay. Here you have the perfect outdoor living space that's overlooking the bay. Patio, you can enjoy that view as well as the mature gardens in the backyard overlooking your hot tub. The home has a 1-bedroom in-law suite ready to go, which walks out to the level backyard, including its own washer and dryer.